be putting out some small fatheads and some large shiners. Hopefully we get some walleyes to pop during the day. But I definitely know that after dark, we'll get quite a flurry. They're small like that. Right in the corner of the mouth. Go ahead and hook them while I got them. See them right here. Look at that. Yeah, when you're fishing walleyes, sometimes these toothy critters, alright, it's always sometimes these toothy critters come by and take a nice meal. Alright, go ahead and release them. What do you think, Tim? That's a nice little bonus bit there. Yeah, right? Yeah. Good teeth. Alright, let's go ahead and release them. Alright, there he goes. That is a great way to start up the afternoon. As you can see behind me, we've got a cloud deck that'll be rolling in a little bit later. Eventually we've got snow, but it's clear skies. Super, super windy right now. We gotta get these hands back in the glove. Let's go. Alright, let's see what the next one is. There you go. Gotta get the afternoon bite right now. Spun just a couple times as we were walking up, but no nothing. So maybe a little walleye. Could be a little muskie. I don't know. Who knows? We were looking at that last one like that muskie. We'll see. Oh, there we go. It's starting to take a little bite there. Decent. Feels like a walleye. Here's my sinker. Holy! Oh, it's a giant crappie! Slab crap! Oh my goodness! Wow! Wow! Look at that crappie! Wasn't expecting that, but we'll take it. Nice slab crappie. Nice pliers.
running a thin wire leader on this, so it shows you that even crappies will bite on that. And just another, or number, I believe it's a 10 or a 12 treble hook. So, sinker up there, and yeah, beautiful crappie.
Nice job, Tim.
Yeah, I don't know, I think,
Dinner table?
yeah, I think he's good table fare.
Yep.
Let the walleyes get bigger, and I'll have a crappie.
Yeah, nice job, Tim.
Thank you.
All right, first flag of the evening after dark. Let's hope something's here, and it is off to the side. Oh yeah, oh, nice fish, nice fish. Right as I grabbed it, he started to take off. Big, powerful run.
Yeah, if he wants to go left.
Oh yeah, this is a nice fish. So he started running, now he's just straight up weight. But he's got quite a bit of line out. Yeah, I think this is a nice fish. A lot of weight. Oh yeah, good head shakes, good head shakes. About a half hour, 45 minutes, holy cow. All right, sinker. Oh, oh,
Nice northern.
That's why we had a few head shakes there. Look at that, nice northern. Yeah, look at that. Nice fish. Not bad. A little on the skinny side, but man, he's got a huge head on him.
Yeah. Good looking fish.
Yeah, that ain't bad. I did not expect this to be a northern pike on the first flag right after dark. That's pretty cool. Yeah, I grabbed that line and immediately he was just like, "Oh, I'm out of here." Not bad. Well, we just got that crappie about an hour and a half ago, and yeah, got a nice northern. Nice northern, got a muskie while fishing for walleyes. Pretty awesome. Not bad. All right, look at that fish. I think that touches 30. Yeah, hard to say. I mean, we can get the tape measure out for him. Over 30. Over 30. Nice fish. No slime for the rest of the evening. We got a few flurries that are just starting to pop out of the sky right now. Got a better chance of some accumulating light snow. Here we got a measurement on here. We got some little bit better chances for snow. Right around 32. 32-inch northern, not bad. A little bit later we got some accumulating snow. So we'll go ahead and get this guy unhooked and get him back in. All right, we're gonna go ahead and release this beautiful northern. I still cannot believe that this northern is supposed to be a walleye hit after dark. Must have been hungry enough. It's a pretty nice shiner that we had on him. There he goes. All right, let's go get another one. We got a light right up there. Let's go. All right, we just got done catching that northern. Saw this guy up. Looks like it is off to the side. Oh, fish on. This is our saltwater rig. Oh yeah, nice fish. Oh, lots of line out. Oh, look at that walleye. Oh yeah. That is a nice walleye. That is super awesome. Woohoo! Look at that, once again. Once again, just like last time. Right there, baby. Got him on the saltwater rig. God, that is so sweet getting them on your own flies, not only your own flies, wow, you swallowed that thing, not only getting them on your own flies, but the fact we're getting them on saltwater streamer flies. That is a super healthy fish. All right, go ahead, man, that is a beautiful fish. That's definitely over 18 inches. So I had downsized from, I had super jumbo shiners on, and about an hour before it got dark, we were like, okay, we're gonna have to downsize here. So I downsized some medium shiners, and I had 2 medium shiners going here. But yeah, that is super sweet. All right, we'll go ahead and get them released.
Last one on and it dropped it, so I think this is a saltwater fly setup.
It is. We just got an 18-inch walleye on it probably about 15 minutes ago, so let's hope this one hangs on a little bit longer as opposed to the other one. Is it off to the side? Yeah. On?
Oh, I think it's off. Oh, no, it's on. Oh, no, this came off.
Oh man. All right.
Give them a little more time.
So what we figured out on the last 2 that we just had is we're just not quite giving them enough time to suck it down. Yeah. So we're gonna definitely give it, you know, an extra minute or 2, because we're just, I mean, on the last one, you could see that he was gumming it, and you could see that he pulled back some scales.
So. All the way to the hook, and then that was it. So gonna have to give him probably another minute
or 2. All right. Oh, another one just popped off over there, so we're gonna go ahead and grab that one.
There it is.
Just as we were hitting this last flake that we had up, I do a quick 360. That one ended up dropping it. That was on a fathead. But I did a 360, and he lights up. What do you think? This guy's up right here. That's what I saw. So that is the second flurry where, as we're setting up the tip up, getting some new bait on, another one pops. So speaking of flurries, I don't know if you can see it in the picture, it's starting to flurry out, which means the snow's going to ramp up in probably the next hour. And there you go, he's spinning. Let's go get him. We hopefully gave him enough, and let's hope this is a nice walleye. Oh yeah, got him. Fish on. Ooh, good head shakes. Oh yeah, that is a nice cookie cutter walleye. Look at that fish. Smallest one of the night, but to get big, you got to start somewhere. That is not bad. Actually, if you look at the build on this fish, for how short he actually is, he's probably not even 15 inches. You can tell, I mean, he's eating good because he's got a nice belly on him. All right, we'll go ahead and see how far he ate this, and we're gonna go ahead and get him back. Let's see. Boy, I didn't even really give him that long. But we're gonna go ahead and have to, let's see if we can get this guy. I'll tell you what, this is super awesome. It's so nice to get a flurry. So nice to get a flurry like this, back-to-back fish. Yeah, maybe I gave him a little bit too long. Got it pretty low. So what we did is we just went ahead and cut that line. But we're gonna go ahead and we'll get him back. And another nice healthy walleye. Again, after dark. It's normally how it is on this lake. We'll go ahead and get them back. There you go. Oh. So we just had 2 flags. Look at that. Got a third one up. Let's go get them. All right, we got another flurry here. The second,
I'd say a flurry. I'd say a snowstorm.
I'd say a snowstorm
Maybe.
too. You want to hold this for a second?
Can't even see the tip up.
This is the second one. I mean, we just got done resetting another one, and
Whew, that wind's still kicking. It's cold out here.
oh,
Got a little stuck in there.
yeah.
Try that.
Oh yeah, he's off to the side. Oh, got him. Fish on. Let's see if we can get him through the hole. And look at that, another one of those cookie cutters. Look at that, it
Okay.
came off.
Those are fun.
You know what? Like I said earlier, they gotta be small to eventually be big. And eventually, there's gonna be a 30-incher in this lake. All right, we'll go ahead and get them back. But the snow is coming down and it's quite windy and quite cold. So we're gonna go ahead and get this guy back and let's go get that next flag. That's 3 flags in less than 5 minutes.
Can you see that hole in there? There he
All
goes.
right. All right, let's go get that next flag.
Next one.
Woo!
Good job.
Well, we switched from moderate to now really heavy snow, and the temperature has cooled off to 8 degrees. Oh yeah, I think he's here. Way off to the side. Got him. Fish on. Oh, he's still on. Good fighter. A lot of line out. Got the sinker. Oh yeah. Look at that fish. Let's go ahead and wash him off. Another nice walleye. Let's see how far he ate that thing. Look at that fish. Another nice walleye. This is now the 7th flag that we have had just on this one tip up. Man, they are loving this hole. I'll go ahead and get them unhooked and release them because another one of these flurries as we got a nice snowstorm coming down. All right, we'll go ahead and get this next fish. Man, we got flags popping everywhere. Snowstorm walleyes again. It's approaching 1 a.m. and we're still getting them to pop. It's like the same area, the same flags are just popping over and over on this shallow weed flat. All right, I guess we'll see if he's there. Oh yeah, way off to the side. Got him. Good fighter, good head shakes. Look at that. Another upcoming walleye for this system. Probably going about 15 inches again. Yeah, nice fish. Look at that. We probably got a good half dozen right around in the 15-inch range. Going all the way and surpassing 18 inches is about the biggest one of this evening. Again, all coming after dark, and I'll tell you what, they've been popping ever since this snow started about 3 hours ago, and the snow is still coming down at a quite moderate to heavy clip. So we'll go ahead and grab the pliers, and there you go. We got another one. I'm gonna set this guy right here.
He's off to the side. Good head shakes. Feels pretty good. Oh. Come on. Whoa. Good fighter here. This is a big fish. Come on. Oh, nice walleye. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Not that big, but he was frisky. Nice walleye. There we go. It is cold out. Fish are still biting. There we go. Look at that. Large shiner. Yep, that one. Pretty large shiner there that one ate. Alright, let's get him unhooked and released. That's probably, I'd say probably 18-inch walleye right there. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, we got some good snowfall coming down.
Gave this one a little bit longer than last time because we missed quite a few fish. They just were dropping it. You'd walk up to the tip up, it starts spinning, they take out about 20 feet of line and bam, drop it. So hopefully that's not the case here.
Might be the case here.
So,
Fish on.
yes. Man, that's
It's got some good head shakes.
sweet.
Oh, yeah. Take it a little wide.
That's a good sign. I think we got ourselves a nice walleye.
That's our sinker. Ooh, yeah, he doesn't want to come up yet. And using really light wire hooks, which is, I do recommend. Oh. Not that big, but another nice walleye. You can argue with that.
Not at all.
Snowstorm?
Snowstorm walleyes.
Why not?
I think that's gonna wrap up today's show. We did fantastic. I mean, we started out with that muskie.
Grab the hooker over and
We started out with the muskie, and then we flipped over to
hold that for a second.
Tim's giant crappie. So you can't complain whatsoever. We had quite a flurry of walleyes tonight after dark. After dark as usual. It's normally how the bite goes. The bite goes on this lake. But overall, fantastic outing today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this show as much as I had made it. So until next time,